Stop before you say no problem to your boss and client again. Watch this. I tell you 10 specific phrases you should use to build better relationships and sound more professional. Stick around because number 7 is a game changer. By the end of the video, you will know exactly what to say and when to say it. Welcome back to the English Strategist, and today's topic is very essential for every English learner.
Here are 10 ways to respond to thank you like a professional. Formal and professional.
First, the gold standard. Use "you are very welcome" when you want to be 100% polite and professional. If you want to sound high class or extra helpful to a client, say "it was my pleasure." It shows you enjoyed helping. "I am happy to help. This is perfect for office." It's modern, positive, and shows you are a team player. Certainly. This one is very formal. It's a sophisticated way to acknowledge a thank you in a business setting.
Friendly and casual.
Moving to casual vibes. "No worries" is huge in the UK and Australia, but it's used everywhere now for small favors. Anytime. Anytime. This is my favorite. It tells the person I am here for you whenever you need me. Don't mention or mention not. Use this when you did something small and you don't want the other person to feel like they owe you. Sure thing. This is very common in the US. It's upbeat, energetic, and friendly.
Short and enthusiastic.
Of course, when someone thanks you for something that was obvious or easy, of course is the perfect natural response. At all. Not at all. This is a polite, slightly more British way of saying that the favor was no trouble at all.
Let's wrap up.
The key is to match your response to the situation. Use the top half for work and the bottom half for friends. Comment your favorite. Which one of these do you use the most? Write it in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe the English Strategist. See you in the next video. Bye.